Hey friends, once again welcome back to Unboxing Naga. Friends, it's me your friend Unboxing Naga. Friends, I'm back with another new content. Achila video gi mon hotel an china mon achibi phone review gro aro achila program ga amnen ge information the brief pa samjawli gro to achila phone the mon ki review gro le sigule to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra nutun phone launch kuna thaka to itu la program mon review gro le se to in case amni plan gre ase ki amni itu phone to kiniwo le se guna to itu moi review gro la video to amni gani bishi important ho le se aro amni ge alap idea da pawo ki itu phone ki na ase guna tala features kan ki na ase guna to kiman jami video sai ase moi request kru ki amni video de skip na kuri na sawi guna to thik ase video start koribo to let's start the video. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The first game on khota korina jao operating system itu ase Android 13. Next game on khota koribo internal storage itu ase 1 TB. Next ke ase memory slot to thalole na pare aro tala processor do ase 8 Gen 2 chipset. Display resolution to 1040 to 3008 pixel thege aro tala display size to 6.9 inches thege aro tala body weight to 134 gram thege aro tala sensor to fingerprint in the screen. Battery type theke LiPo 5000 mAh aro battery to allow na pare aro tage hoy itu Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra ge wireless charging support theke holebi itu travel adapter ba charge kora lote alap slow theke tai aro tai cholai C type charger taila RAM ase dual GB wired charging jo hoy 0 to 65% in just 30 minutes theke as claimed by the brand. Already disclaimer dina ase aro taige 3 rear camera theke 3 da camera theke taige. The megapixel of the new Samsung S23 Ultra is 200 MB. Itu the Google ge bhi claim kurina ase ki Samsung laga brand ba to itu 200 MB la the first time ponai ase guina. Already ekta ase travel adapter does not come along with the phone. Itu ase itu travel adapter do amni phone kina da na pawo guina. Aro tala selfie to theke 12 MP sensor. Aro network type to 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G sub support theke India ge. Aro colors to amni ki pawo le green pawo, red pawo, phantom pawo, cream and many more. Aro amni ge bishi information channel le mona chale Google ge browse kuri sub available ase. Aro taige theke itu waterproof. Yes, water resistant up to 30 minutes in a dip of 1.5 meter. IP68 itu to tai 30 minutes la capacity to hold gorle pare in the dip of 1.5 meter. Holebi tulor po chesile to ekta defect to ai jabo phone ke aro tai theke dust proof. To tala body frame to kiba design guna ase gole to aluminum ba design guna ase tala body frame to built with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for both front and back screen. Will be released on February 17, 2023. Now let's discuss about the price. To ita model price la boy khota guna jabo. Total starting price to first la ase 1,09,999. Itu ase 256 GB internal storage kani. Aro next la price ase 1,18,999. Itu ase 512 GB internal storage. Next ase 1,34,999. Itala do 1 TB ase 1 TB internal storage ase. To hey friends, finally mon video na khatam hoya ase aro ami channel ke nutun ase to moi request kro ki video ke like kori share kori subscribe kori aro stay tuned kile gole moi nutun content to chulei thali hole ase. Still then take care, stay safe and see you soon in the next video.